Alright, this is a Nelco SAM 3B deluxe automatic zigzag machine. It has built-in stitches, right, left, center, controls, zigzag width, a delightful stitch length, and a built-in buttonhole manual control here with the reverse button, darn and sew buttons. This is one of my favorite styles of machines. To thread this, there's a spool pin on the back. There's a guide at the top here. The thread then goes around the tensioner. It has to come all the way up around this spring finger, down through this hook. Then there's a guide here that the thread snaps into. We get to the take-up arm. And then right in here is a guide. And on the needle bar clamp there is a guide. And then the needle, because this is a side load machine, threads from left to right. If I can... There we go. And apparently I'm having real good luck threading today because I got that on the first try. This is a side load zigzag machine, so bobbin case comes from the side. As you can see, the bobbin unwinds clockwise, thread loads in through that slot up through the spring here, and then for bobbin winding, the machine has hand clutch on the end to loosen the hand wheel, a push button winder, and the thread goes from this hook down under the button winding bobbin and then up to the bobbin winder, or the bobbin winding button and up to the bobbin winder.